Hi everyone, welcome to Media Pool. I'm Xiaoxian Chen. And a few days ago when I dined out, I had a dish called scouse. It's a traditional Liverpool dish, but I have never heard it or had it before. I went to Google and I found there was a world's best recipe for scouse. And so I was thinking maybe I can make the scouse with this recipe and by myself. Okay, now I have bought all these ingredients back.
There are carrots, sweat, onion, beef, potato, bay leaves, thyme, pickled beetroots, bitter white bread, beef stalks and butter.
Now the first step is to cut this into pieces. Now we need to heat a little oil for about 1 minute. After heating, we will add some diced chunk steak and cook until the meat is evenly browned on all sides. So when it's become browned on all sides, add some salt and pepper. Add the onions and cook until it becomes soft. And when the onions has become soft, add the bitter and boil until the liquid has reduced by half. Now we need to add in potatoes, sweat, and carrots, followed by bay leaves and thyme. Then adding about 1.2 liters beef stock and bring it to boil and simmer for 30 minutes. That's it, and I heard it should be served with white bread and pickled beetroots, so I'm gonna try this with my friend.
Not bad though.
And that's all of today's video. And if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. You can tell me if you like scouse or if you want to try this recipe.